Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fahad and this video is about the quotation elements in HTML. Okay, there are the different quotation elements in the HTML and for the different purpose. Okay, block quote defines a section that is quoted from another source. Q defines a short quotation, and ABBR, it is used to define the abbreviation, and address is used to give the content information about the author or the owner of the document or an article. Okay, and if there is kind of a creative work and you have to define it, you define it with the site tag. And the last one, BDO. Okay, the full form of BDO is Bi-Directional Override. This tag is used to override the current text direction. Without just wasting the time, let's just go to the editor and see how these elements work. This is an output of the things that we have learned in the last video, text formatting elements. So let's just focus on this thing. We are using the block quote here, and in block quote you don't use it into the paragraph. Okay, in the block code you have to give the URL of your another source, as block code is defined that it is something from the another source. Okay, so I have the source of this quotation, so let me just use that, close this element. Now let me just save this thing and see how does it look on browser. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, now we have Q. Okay, you use the Q element within the paragraph. Refresh this. This is how the Q look. You also use the abbreviation within the paragraph element. Okay, so this is how the abbreviation element look. We don't use the address element within the paragraph, we use it separately. Okay, I just want to add the break. Okay, I'm using BR to give a line break in the address. We use a site element within the paragraph. Okay, so this is how we use the site element, and in last we have the video element. Okay, we don't use it inside the paragraph, so all you need to write is BDO. Now use the DR. What it will do, that by default the direction of the text are from the left side. Okay, if you just click on the RTL, it will set the direction of the text from the right side. So if your browser support bi-directional override, it will work. If it doesn't support, then it won't work. Okay, I think I just have written all the elements that we have discussed in this video, and so let me just save this code and run this again and see how the things are there. And I'm pretty much sure that we have learned about these different elements and we have used them on the code, on the HTML file. This is all for this video. If you really find this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.